Come here. Or not. Okay.
Kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to
That
do
is a GT. Doing good.
know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love.
What is going on, kids? We are back here with Captain Ron. Saltwater Spoiled, like always. I'll leave a link in the description below. We got my son fishing, first time reef fishing today. So let's get some.
Oh, you got him out. Good job.
Hey, that one's a little bit bigger.
That's a blue runner. Yes.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, yep, he's still there. Doesn't fight like a blue runner. Oh, it's one of those. That's what's been messing around with us. Get him. Might use him for bait.
Also called a Tom Tate Ruby Resident.
There we go. What do we got here? Hey, it's one of those guys. It's a lane snapper.
Probably more what you're used to. Yeah. That's a big one. That's your
What do we got here? That's a grunt. Hey, that one's a little bit bigger.
Hey, come on. No, we're not going to hurt you. Well, maybe. Probably. All right, yep. Yeah, definitely going to hurt you.
Ryan, you're making that fish look way bigger than what it is.
I know, but you got me.
That was on the drop. Another little lane.
And they're not lying. Don't hold it in your mouth for very long.
You got something there, dude?
Yeah. Another little red grouper too.
Nice one.
Whenever the red tide is inshore, I go.
Hey, there we go. Flip her right in towards the cat.
Or is that a mangrove? No,
That's a
or is that a? Nope, it's a lane. Definitely a lane.
nice one, dude.
Yeah.
Nice grunt.
I was gonna say, what kind of weird perch is this?
It's a grunt.
Cool.
Tail.
Just wonderful.
They've got to be like just picked up there. They're getting hooked up that.
what the customers pay for, you know?
Yeah.
I'm here. Or not. Okay.
What'd you do?
Where are you going?
The blue runner Taurus right there. Could be a king, maybe. Or a cobia. Who knows what that is?
I'm thinking cobia or king. There you go.
Turn it in.
Yep, nice, nice. You're doing a great job, bud.
You watch this YouTube.
I fish a lot. No.
If he tries to go into the boat, you want to kind of stand up a little bit and put the rod tip down in the water.
Yep.
But that's it. I can use it to anchor up.
Dude, he is not liking that.
Easy under the boat. You know, he's got a call sign. What do we got here?
It's a fish. It's a big one. I don't know what it's a jack.
That's a...
No, that's a jack. It's a,
That is a GT.
Where are you going, big boy?
Doing good. That is a Jack Crevalle.
that is. We might go out.
Let some line out.
That's bait.
Pull it out a little bit more. There you go. His first Jack Crevalle.
Yeah, nice job.
Yep. Let's you wanna let's put him right in the net. We're gonna put him right in the live well.
Yep.
Nice one, dude. How was that? Good job, Captain Ron. Till next time, kids. We'll see you again. Bye.